How to create a table in ChatGPT. Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to create a table inside ChatGPT in a simple and easy way. Once you've entered the chat interface, you are ready to begin. Now to create a table, all you need to do is a prompt that includes the data you want organized. To tell ChatGPT to organize it into a table, you can use a prompt like render this data in Markdown table format. After sending your prompt by typing the arrow button, ChatGPT will generate a clean table in Markdown style. After typing it, click on the Send button. After sending your prompt, by typing the arrow button, ChatGPT will generate a clean table in Markdown. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.